Hey guys, what's up? This is the Retro Macintosh here, and today I'm going to be showing you around the PowerBook Duo 230. I picked this little guy up a couple of days ago for absolutely free. It's a really cute little laptop and pretty well made. I really like it. You can see it's got its trackball with clicker and the PowerBook trackball. We've got one mono speaker here, and the brightness and contrast controls here. This is not a color display. So yeah, the power button is here. It does have its original battery. See if I can get the original battery out. Macintosh PowerBook Duo rechargeable battery. It's a nickel metal hydride battery, not lithium ion. On the back here, you'll see that it's got its charger port, the port for its special Duo dock, a telephone modem port right here, and a telephone / printer port there, and the charger and another power button. With this laptop, I also got the charger, the system discs, they're all there, all the install discs for System 7, I'm pretty sure. The Apple Resource Guide, which contains this interesting little booklet talking about if you register your computer, you will get a free gift of either a mouse pad, a magazine subscription, a Macworld magazine subscription, or an Apple Pen. And we also have software license, the warranty, how to transfer information to and from the computer, the special rainbow Apple stickers, and the system accessories that you could buy with it. And of course, the technical specifications. If you want to pause to see that, you can. And it also came with the original user's guide. That also contains how to use the Duo dock, and the packing list that was in the box, and a manual for a Macintosh Express modem. So yeah guys, this is the Retro Macintosh. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you guys later.